Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's video. We're going to be doing a transformative fallen angel look today. And I hope you guys like this video. Give it a good thumbs up if you do and subscribe to the channel so you can see more Halloween makeup looks. Today we're creating a fallen angel look using the new Darkside SHEGLAM palette. So here's the palette here for you guys. And I literally just used this palette mixed with a black liquid liner. This is the liquid liner from Finish Line, but any black liquid liner will do. And then I used a red gel liner, and this one is from the Hocus Pocus collection, but again, you can use any red eyeliner that you have. And then I just used a really dark matte lipstick. You'll see the whole tutorial in the video. So you can use any eyeshadow palette or palettes that have similar shades to the Darkside SHEGLAM palette. Here comes the video.
I can feel your energy pulsating down my spine. Oh, oh. I am not the enemy. No need to run and hide. No, no. But as the night draws near, we are animals of fear. Feels so cold inside my head. And as the sun comes up, we are always out of luck. There's no room for us here. It's a cold-blooded love. It's a cold-blooded love. It's a cold-blooded love. Helps us break each other's hearts. It's a cold-blooded love. It's a cold-blooded love. Helps us break each other's hearts. It's a cold-blooded love. Break each other's hearts. It's a cold-blooded love. It's a cold-blooded love. Helps us break each other's hearts. 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 It's a cold-blooded love. Break each other's hearts. It's a cold-blooded love. It's a cold-blooded love. Helps us break each other's hearts. It's a cold-blooded love. It's a cold-blooded love. cold-blooded love. It's a cold-blooded love. It's a cold-blooded love. Helps us break each other's hearts. It's a cold-blooded love. It's a cold-blooded love. Helps us break each other's hearts. 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 It's a cold-blooded
So just a little bit of inspiration for this look. When I think of a fallen angel, I think more demonesque than anything. They will probably have like a crown, but it wouldn't look like this. It'd be more like a white halo. So this is what their crown turns into as they turn into their fallen angel form. They have like black wings, you know, and then they have some like glitter still because they're still part angel, but they're fallen angel, and then everything is just kind of like started turning dark side. So this is my fallen angel look. I hope you guys like this video. Give it a good thumbs up if you do. Subscribe to my channel so you guys can see more makeup tutorials coming soon. If there's any Halloween ideas that you have, leave a comment below. I would love to know. And I hope you guys have a happy Halloween, and I will see you later. Bye!